I know it's a bit windy. You might be able to hear my headphones, but I'm at the top, about to run down. I'm gonna do it with a handheld instead of with the head strap. I'm gonna put the hyper boost on and we gonna fucking go. All right, hyper boost engaged, headphones on. Let's do it. Woo. Woo. Knee almost got weak right there, boy. Let's get it. Smash it. Oh. Oh shit. Woo. Let's fucking go. We're going all the way to the car. Fuck stopping. We're going all the way to the car. No stopping. There she is. I ain't even gonna lie, this mountain been doing everything that I need for it to do. It's been pushing my heart and lungs, my body to the max. And y'all know how out of shape I am. I'm 2 weeks in right now, I'm 2 weeks back from having a year down, a year straight. Man, don't waste a day. Even if it's something little. Make sure you do that, man. Make sure you check it out. Make sure you get out and see your city. Make sure you get out and see your neighborhood. Man, that one got me, man. I pushed it on the way down. I went a little further than I usually do, trying to test the trail. Ran into a patch of bugs, said fuck it, came back. Now it's time to get the load to the swimming lessons and get started with the rest of the day. I'm in the studio next, so let's get it.